You know why you are here. Yes, for Discord Nitro. But before that, everyone gets free Nitro thanks to my videos, but only 4.4% of you have subscribed to my channel. This will get us nowhere. Let's do 12,500 this month. I will also urge to watch my all-in-one multi-purpose Sage bot video. It's very helpful if you want a high-quality bot that can do everything. All the Orbs links will be in this video's description. Let's get started. The ones who watch all my video would know that we need VPN to get free Nitro. I use Urban VPN. It's not a sponsor or anything. It's just something suits me. If Urban VPN doesn't work for you, try anything that suits you. After getting Urban VPN extension or app, just switch to the US location and then refresh your Discord page. You should be able to see the new quests. The first quest is from the movie called Peacock TED 2. This one gives out 700 orbs. Then it's the second quest from the movie Paramount. It's a big quest over 230 minutes or so. Take your time to watch it. Then the third quest is from Black Phone 2. If you are regular on my channel, you must know that a few months back, we also played a game quest where we had to solve a puzzle at a phone booth to get 700 orbs. But in this one, you just need to watch the quest. The fourth quest is about the Knights of the Seven Kingdom. I suppose it's a game, since it doesn't seem like a movie to me. The fifth quest doesn't really give you 700 orbs, but gives out an avatar decoration. If you are into all those things, you can claim it. The sixth quest is from Mercy, brought to you by Amazon MGM Studios. This one also gives out 700 orbs. The seventh quest is from Paramount. Yes, another Paramount quest. All these quests are available only in the United States. In total, these 6 quests gives out 6,000 orbs. I am sure if you do the other quests like Discord, they will kill you, and many more pending ones, the amount could go above 8,000 orbs. Make sure to claim them before they expire. There are also other quests pending like Valorant and so on. I've already covered a video on it. Make sure to watch it. Now you be like, oh Pixie, where are the quest links even though I explained it already? Well, click this video called All-in-One Multipurpose Discord Bot. You will find all the quest links in the video's description. Right now it's not there, but I will add them once the video goes live. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify Channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.